Student, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss trigonometric ratio part 2. Already we have discussed about previous lecture. Trigonometric ratio is the relation between sides and angles. Today we will discuss about trigonometry, how you can find the trigonometric ratio with the help of right angle triangle. Student, this is right angle triangle. A, B, nominate as ABC. Both are acute angle. Suppose this is theta and this is alpha. This is 90 degree. Student, already we have discussed about previous lecture what is the value of trigonometric ratio. There are 6 type of trigonometric ratio: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Student, if you want to find the vertex angle, then perpendicular is changed into base and base is changed into perpendicular. This is the adjacent side. Adjacent side and this is opposite side. Base and this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse denoted by capital H. Student, if you want to find the vertex angle sin alpha, then perpendicular is changed into base and base is changed into perpendicular. Here perpendicular for vertex angle alpha. Sin alpha is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is what? For this angle, already you know that when you move this right angle triangle, base is changed into perpendicular and perpendicular is changed into base. So perpendicular is what? BC is perpendicular for this angle. BC upon H is same AC. What is the cos alpha? Cos alpha is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base is what, student? Base is this for this angle alpha AB upon AC, and tan alpha is equal to perpendicular by base. What is the perpendicular? Perpendicular is BC and base is AB. And then for cosec alpha is equal to H by P. This is AC by BC. Sec alpha is equal to H by P. This is AC by AB. And cot alpha is equal to base by perpendicular AB by BC. स्टूडेंट, हमने बेस एंगल का डिस्कशन प्रीवियस लेक्चर में किया था. इस लेक्चर में हम लोग वर्टेक्स एंगल का डिस्कशन करेंगे. हाउ यू कैन फाइंड द वर्टेक्स एंगल. दिस इज योर ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो. देयर आर 6 टाइप ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो. Student, if you want to find the trigonometric ratio, how you can find? Let's see. Suppose this is right angle triangle ABC. and the value of AB given. Example, given that sin C is equal to 3 by 5. So already you know that this is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Student, this is the base angle, base acute angle, and this is the vertex acute angle. Sum of this angle is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. Already you know that the sum of three angle is 180 degree. Sin C is equal to 3 by 5. Student, already we have told about previous lecture, trigonometry also follows the Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, we can find the base. According to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to p square plus b square. Means AC square is equal to AB square is the perpendicular and base is BC square. AC square is what? 5 square and AB square is 3 square plus BC square. 25, 5 square, 3 square 9 plus BC square. If you transfer the same term, 25 with plus 9 is transferred to the other side, then converted into minus. BC square is equal to 16. When square is diminished, then under root is developed. This is 16 and square root of 16 is 4. It means base is 4. Find all T ratio. All T ratio. Student, if you want to find cosec C is equal to H by P. This is just reciprocal. Cos C is equal to base by hypotenuse. Base is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. And tan C is equal to perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is 3 and base is 4. What is the value of reciprocal T ratio? Sec angle C is equal to H by B. H is equal to 5 and this is 4. 5 by 4. And cot C is equal to, student, cot C is equal to base by perpendicular. Base is 4, perpendicular is 3. Student, if you want to find the vertex angle A, how you can find? Let's see. And also find sin A, cos A and tan A. What is the value of sin A? Sin A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. But already you know that if you want to find the vertex angle, then perpendicular is changed into base and base is changed into perpendicular. It means perpendicular is 4, perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is AC. BC, the value of BC is 4 and this is 5. cos A is equal to B by H. B is what, student? AB is base for vertex angle, means AB upon AC. This is 3 by 5. 10A is equal to perpendicular by base. Already you know that if you want to find the vertex angle, then perpendicular and base mutually interchange. So perpendicular is what? BC, and base is what? AB. BC is equal to 4 and this is 3. Thank you, student. And if you can find with the help of this angle, you can find the reciprocal T ratio, cos x sec and cot. Thank you, student.